Today, we're diving into a recipe that has stood the test of time. Bone broth, a nourishing elixir that's fueled generations with its rich blend of minerals, collagen, and essential nutrients. This isn't just food, it's a powerful way to rejuvenate your body from the inside out. In this video, I'll walk you through every step to create this wholesome broth, share important tips along the way, and by the end, we'll explore the incredible health benefits that make bone broth a true superfood. Let's get started. Ingredients: use a mix of beef, chicken, turkey, pork, or fish bones. Include marrow bones, joints, and knuckles, which are rich in collagen. For added nutrients, use bones with some meat attached. Water. Enough to fully submerge the bones. Apple cider vinegar. 1–2 tablespoons to help extract bone minerals. Vegetables. Optional but can add flavor and nutrients. Use onions, carrots, celery, garlic, and herbs like parsley, thyme, and bay leaves. Salt and pepper, to taste. Herbs and spices, optional, for additional flavor. Use rosemary, turmeric, or ginger. Equipment. Use large stock pot, slow cooker, or instant pot. A large pot or slow cooker allows for a longer simmer, which extracts more nutrients. Instructions. Prepare the bones roasting, optional. Roast the bones in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 30–40 minutes if you want a richer flavor. This step is optional but enhances the taste of the broth. Add bones and vinegar. Place the bones in your stock pot, slow cooker, or instant pot. Add 1–2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to help break down the bones and release nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and potassium from the bones. Let the bones and vinegar sit for 30 minutes before turning on the heat. Add water and vegetables. Fill the pot with enough water to cover the bones by about 1–2 inches. Adding nutrient-rich vegetables and herbs can increase the broth's vitamin and mineral content. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cooking time. For beef bones, 24–48 hours. For chicken bones, 12–24 hours. For fish bones, 4–6 hours. Instant pot. If using a pressure cooker, cook on high pressure for about 2–3 hours. Skimming the broth. During the first few hours of simmering, you may notice foam or impurities rising to the top. Skim this off with a spoon to keep the broth clear and improve its flavor. Strain and cool. After the broth has simmered for the desired amount of time, strain it through a fine mesh strainer to remove the bones and vegetables. Let the broth cool to room temperature, then refrigerate it. The fat will rise to the top and solidify, which can be skimmed off and used for cooking, or left in for added flavor and nutrients. Store the broth in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze the broth in portions. Use ice cube trays or silicone molds for easy portioning. Bone broth can be stored in the freezer for up to 6 months. Important tips for maximum nutritional benefits. 1. Choose bones from grass-fed, organic animals, if possible, as they are more nutrient-dense and free from antibiotics and hormones. 2. Include bones with connective tissue, like knuckles and feet, for higher collagen content. 3. The longer the broth simmers, the more nutrients are extracted. Aim for at least 12 hours for chicken and 24 hours for beef. Making bone broth at home allows you to control the ingredients and ensure that it's free from additives and preservatives, maximizing its health benefits. Benefits of bone broth for your health. Bone broth is rich in nutrients like collagen, gelatin, and essential minerals, supporting joint health, gut function, and skin elasticity. It strengthens the immune system, reduces inflammation, aids digestion, and can improve sleep. Its high protein content also helps with weight management, making bone broth a nourishing, health-boosting addition to your diet. Thanks for watching. For more health-related videos, don't forget to subscribe.